How to add or change your gender on REDnote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add or change your gender on your REDnote app. It's quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the REDnote app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in your profile page, simply tap on the option labeled Profile. Now look for the gender option and simply tap on it. And from here, you can easily add or update your gender. And once you are done with it, you can simply save the changes and that's it. And there you have it. That's how you can add or change your gender on REDnote app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.